In this Track and Trade High Finance Trading training video, I want to talk to you about trailing stops. Now, trailing stops are when the stop order automatically gets moved based on some kind of mathematical formula to help you in making those trading decisions. Now, let's go through and look at some of the different options that we have on the trailing stop. So let's go through a trading scenario where we might use a trailing stop. Now, I'm looking at the bulls and bears, and this is the indicator that we use that takes our market from green, yellow to red. And we're looking for a buy signal, and we've got two yellows, and we want a yellow followed by a green to go long, and there we have a buy signal. So let's get into the market long. We're going to come in and we're going to go buy, and it says that we can afford 650 of these shares with the amount of balance that we have. So we're going to buy 500 shares on a market order. We hit OK, step the market forward, and our order is filled. Now we need to place our stop order in case we're wrong, a stop loss order. So we're going to come in here and we're going to place our stop loss order. Now, traditionally, we would place that stop loss order back behind areas of support or resistance, or using some kind of a mathematical tool to help us make that decision. And so we place this order initially back behind maybe an area of resistance or support right here behind this. Let's put this right behind this first green bar. And so that's our stop placement area. Now I'm going to make this a trailing stop. So what that means is I'm going to click this button here, trailing stop, and since we're using the bulls and bears system, I'm going to set it on the bulls and bears blue light trailing stop system. Now I have the option of coming in here and saying just follow my market back by a certain dollar amount, by a number of price bars. So let's say if you have 5 price bars, it will pick the lowest point of the last 5 price bars, so it'll stay behind areas of support. We have the parabolic SAR, which also does stop placements, and it'll follow that. We also have the zigzag indicator, and the zigzag indicator has a stop placement location, and it will follow on the zigzag as well. But let's use the bulls and bears in this example. We're going to hit OK. And now watch, as I step the market forward, notice the blue light is advancing forward, but the stop does not move because it's waiting for the blue light to catch up to its location. Now as the market moves forward every day, each day, now you notice the first day that the blue light surpassed the placement of our initial placement of that stop, the order now automatically jumped over to follow the blue light system. And this makes it very easy for us to continue trading or advancing the chart without having to manually move the stop loss each time. And as that market moves up, it's mathematically calculated its placement of where it wants to hold that stop to protect our profit potential. As you can see, as this market continues higher and higher, now what happened here is this market jumped way up off the screen. We had a big jump in this market, and so the market jumped way up. Now you'll notice the blue light system will start advancing very quickly. It's mathematically calculated to advance up and protect your holdings. So you can see back in this area, you can see where it had very small advancements, but if the market jumps like that, it starts advancing very quickly to try and catch up and maximize your profit potential. Now, the stop was automatically hit as the market came against it and got us out of the market. So that's how we use auto trailing stops with the blue light system. Now, if we want to back this market up, we can back it up. Let's delete this order. Let's actually come back here. Let's delete this trailing stop. I'm going to come in here, right click on it, hit delete, and I'm going to come back, and since this is a time machine and we have this capability, we can come back and we can use a different strategy now. So we just got filled in the market, and we're going to place a new stop order, and let's come in and just for fun, let's try one. We're going to go trailing stop, and we're going to say price bars back, and we're just going to say 5 price bars back. So it's going to pick the lowest point of the last 5 price bars, and that's where it's going to hold our stop back, 5 price bars back. And then we can advance the market, and you can see every time we have 5 price bars, it'll find the lowest place. So this is its area of resistance, or excuse me, this is its area of support that it's going to hold as the market advances. Every 5 price bars, it will hold back behind the lowest placement. And as that market moves, it will move itself up, and we'll eventually get stopped out and take our profits. And so that's another different formula that we can use on the trailing stops. Now I would suggest that you go and play with the other formulas as well and find out how they work and experiment with them. But you can see the concept of how it works with these two examples.